All right, it's 2023, and we have a new version of Ariana Grande Cloud with Ariana Grande Cloud Pink. How does it compare to the original 2018 Ariana Grande Cloud or the 2021 Ariana Grande Cloud 2.0 Cloud Intense? Let's smell them. Let's find out. There's no way you need to own all three of these. I'm going to figure out which one's the one to have. So first up, we've got Ariana Grande Cloud. Remember, they come in these cutesy little bottles that pop into the rubberized cloud holder. Just adorable. The big hype with this one was that they said it was a dupe of Baccarat Rouge 540. It's got a lot of similarities to it, but it's much sweeter. It's much more feminine. Whereas a guy can pull off BR 540, they're not pulling this off. Well, at least I'm not. Maybe you are. But let's give this one a shot. Pop it open. Apologies for the noise. I don't know what it could be. It's 7 o'clock. I'm in an apartment complex. Sounds like somebody's chainsawing something. Maybe I'm going to die. Who knows? Today could be the day. And you get this really nice chocolatey, praline, musky, kind of synthetic smell to it, right? And it's a little fruity. There's pear in it. There's this lavender note for a little bit of a flowery kick. But overall, it's this cloudy, sort of musky praline, just woody sort of sweetness. It's good. It's really good. And that's why it was so popular. It was cheap. It's a fraction of the cost of Baccarat Rouge 540. Let's smell 2.0. All right, so with 2.0, we have basically the same thing. Same kind of little rubberized holder, just it's 2.0. It's intense. It's dark. Ooh, it's raining Ariana Grande all over everyone. And seriously, it's going to be pretty similar. Look at the box. They didn't even change the back. How disappointing. That's relevant. Stay tuned. But let's give it a smell. It's been a long, long time since I've smelled this one. I don't remember if it seemed very different or not. So the way it opens up, it's very much cloud, right? But there's this extra, I didn't really understand this. I was reading what some other people said about it and trying to remember, but I really didn't remember. It's creamier, it's silkier almost, right? And they say that one of the base notes to this is like a cashmere. It's the same thing, but it's a little more. I could see this working in a bit colder weather. Then again, I could see the other one working fine in that. And it's really nice, but it's really the same almost. I can't see having this over that. I can't see having both of them. I'd say give them a shot and see which one you like better, but it's nothing wild. But that said, we've got Cloud 2.0. What about Cloud Pink? Cloud Pink, again, has the same bottle, just it's pink. Like, what are you going to do? But most importantly, they finally changed the back of the box. She's in a different pose, holding the new bottle. They put a little bit of effort into that. So what makes this one different? Let's give it a smell. And if you've already seen my review, you already know, and I'll tell you. It's basically identical to Cloud, except it's supposed to be a bit fruitier. They really are hyping up this dragon fruit note. Dragon fruit's pink, Cloud pink. And if we give it a second to just kind of settle in here, you do get that fruitiness on top. There is something that I guess is dragon fruit. I really don't know what dragon fruit smells like. So initially, when you initially spray this, yes, it is sweeter in the sense it's fruitier, it's fresher. There's already a very sweet, dark sweet kind of scent. But it's a little fresher with that dragon fruit on top. That said, I can tell you, because I sprayed this, I wore it, I did a review, kept it on the rest of the day. That dragon fruit wears off very fast. So within about 30 minutes or so, you got the same scent as Cloud. Cloud plus dragon fruit. And the dragon fruit goes away so fast. So, that said, it went away fast on me. Maybe it won't go away as quickly on you. Maybe it'll play out differently. It plays different on skin. It plays different on everybody's skin. That's the fun thing about fragrance. So, if you love Ariana Grande, you love pink, you want to try a new version of that, give it a shot. You're probably going to like it. There's nothing wrong with it. It's just so unnecessary. We do not need Cloud Pink, Cloud 2.0, and Cloud. We just don't need all three. It's too much. So, if you have one of them, I'm telling you, you don't need to bother with the other two. If you don't have any of them, go give them all a shot. I still think this might be the most unique. That creaminess that it adds gives it a little bit something. And people say it lasts a bit longer than Cloud. So I assume it lasts a bit longer than Cloud Pink. Oh, look, it's got a little like textured logo on top. They changed everything with this one. I'll give them credit for that. Maybe get that one because they put some effort into it. I don't know. If you've tried them all, let me know what you think in the comments. It's all the Ariana Grande clouds. It's a thunderstorm of Ariana Grande. It's wild. I got it. Thanks for watching, everyone. Take care.